Ever wonder why your life feels stuck? It's probably because you're lying to yourself daily with confidence. Let's expose the BS. Lie number one. I'll start tomorrow. No, you won't. Tomorrow is just today in a wig, holding a Starbucks and whispering, lie to yourself again. Lie number two. I don't have time. Sure, except for the 3 hours you spent scrolling, Googling symptoms you don't have, and watching an iguana cook pasta. You have time. You're just scared to use it. Lie number three. I'm fine. You're not. You're emotionally held together by Spotify playlists and sarcasm. You call that fine? Here's the fix step one. Catch the lie. Step two. Say it out loud. And replace it. I don't have time becomes, I didn't make it a priority. I'll start tomorrow becomes, I'm scared to start today. Own it. Call it out. Change it.